Hey there, friends! Today, we're folding a pretty bow. Let's get started. Grab a square piece of paper 15 by 15 centimeters. Fold it in half, corner to corner. Then open it up. Now fold it the other way. And open it again. Turn your paper so it looks like a diamond. Fold one side into the center line like this. Let's do the same on the other side. Now fold it again so the edge meets the center line. Let's do the same on the other side. Now fold it down right in half. At the top, fold down triangle shapes like this. Tuck it inside along the crease just like that. Next, lift just one flap, using this line as a guide. Let's fold little triangles each side. Fold them into the center line. Flip your paper over. Fold it in half again, just like before. Now, fold both corners in to make little triangles. Time for the magic! Hold the triangle gently and start opening the bow. Try pulling out the wings nice and slow. If it feels a bit tricky, press down on the middle like I'm doing. You did it! Isn't it a beautiful bow? Thanks so much for folding with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun with Fold with B. See you next time!